This is how you utilize AI.Law's Discovery Drafter. There are only two steps. The first one is to upload the case files. This will include the complaint as well as the answer, third-party complaints, or cross-claims, counterclaims, all of the pleadings associated with the case. You're going to drag and drop into this section or simply upload them. And then you will also include any other documents you have that are associated with the matter. This could be damages assessments, service agreements, insurance policies, as well as fact patterns, police reports, witness statements, or other kind of information. So long as it is a text-related format or PDF, you can upload it within the section. Next thing you'll do is click Continue, and then select the parties that the person or the requesting party as well as the responding party. Once you have identified who is doing the requesting and who's doing the responding, you click Continue and then Generate Document. It is literally that easy. What our system's going to do in the background is evaluate and review the pleadings, the complaint, the answer, any cross-claims, counterclaims, third-party claims, and it will evaluate each one to determine whether or not, or what is, the dispute between the requesting party and the responding party. That is their relationship between the two of them. And then it will evaluate the claims and defenses that are relevant between the dispute between both of them, and then determine whether or not any of those particular elements of those claims are in dispute. Based on the disputed items, our system will then create discovery requests that are specific to that individual case and those individual parties for you to review. Now in this case, if you can see here, the fact pattern is joyride. It was effectively a consumer, a customer, drops off a car to a repair shop, and then one of the employees takes the car out for a joyride, and it is a classic expensive car, and on the way back the car is in an accident, and to make this an interesting fact pattern, we have made it such that the accident caused the plaintiff, the consumer, to also be injured. So we've got a complex fact pattern. We've got multiple claims involved with this. There are approximately 9 counts, 9 claims. And our system will now evaluate the entire situation and give us some ideas on discovery and what is available to us. And in 5 minutes, 30 seconds later, here we have a timer on our process. We've got our discovery drafted for us. Simply download the document and open it to take a look and see what it looks like. Pull this over. We've got first a statement about the case. We have a introductory overview so the reader, the user, can validate the information associated with it. And then we've got a strategy that was employed. So you're getting AI's thinking associated with drafting this document right here in the beginning. Now, you're not going to provide this to opposing counsel, so you delete this out. And underneath, you've got your full request. Here, these are our made-up plaintiff and defendants. Steve Sutherland, first combined request, and for admissions, interrogatories, and PODs to one of the defendants. Got a definition section. And then we've got our instructions and requests for admission. So here we have 30 requests for admissions, so programmed to provide you 30. Duty of care, we've got some factual related, breach of duty, directory cause, so causation, resulted in an accident, right? So this is the facts surrounding one party, the plaintiffs. And then what we'll do is we will have some additional information, additional requests that deal with any potential defenses that might come up. Finally, we'll have 10 that deal with records and documents associated with it. These are always indicated in the negative, so when opposing counsel denies the request, the admission, then you can ask for the actual document because that implies it exists. But you can see all these are very relevant to this accident, this event. We've got requests for production, documents, communications regarding any training, emails, text messages, all the things that you'd expect to see from requests from production. We've got 30 of those, and then we have 25 interrogatories that follow. These are usually lists, more material than you would get with either admission or a POD. So explanations, explain reasons, motivation, taking the car out without authorization on the date of the incident. You've got, again, 25 of these, and then you have respectfully submitted certificate of service that you can fill in yourself, along with a verification page at the end. So here is a 13-page, fully formatted, detailed, and relevant set of discovery requests, all done for you by AI.Law in 5 minutes and 31 seconds.